Have you ever wondered what would actually happen if you fell into a black hole? Would you be stretched into spaghetti? Would time stop? Would you vanish forever or enter another universe? Today, we're falling deep into the most mysterious object in the cosmos. First, what exactly is a black hole? A black hole is not just a dark hole in space. It's the collapsed core of a massive star where gravity becomes so strong, not even light can escape. At its center is a singularity, a point of infinite density where space and time break down. Surrounding it is the event horizon, the invisible boundary. Once you cross it, there's no turning back. Now imagine you're on a spaceship, drifting toward a stellar mass black hole. As you get closer, strange things start to happen. Time begins to stretch. From the outside, you appear frozen in place forever. But to you, time feels completely normal. The light from stars begins to curve around the black hole, warping your view like a cosmic funhouse mirror. You see the entire universe twisted into a ring around you. Then you cross the event horizon. And here's where things get weird. If it's a small black hole, you'd experience spaghettification. Yes, that's a real term. The gravity is so strong, your feet are pulled much harder than your head. You get stretched thinner and thinner until you're a cosmic noodle. But what if you fell into a supermassive black hole, the kind at the center of galaxies? You might not even notice you've crossed the event horizon. The gravity is intense, but spread out. You could float inside for hours or longer, watching the universe disappear behind you. What's inside? Nobody knows for sure. Some theories say you hit the singularity and are crushed to nothing. Others suggest you never reach the center because time stops. And then there's the wildest idea of all. What if the black hole is a bridge? A wormhole to another part of the universe? Or even another universe entirely? It's possible that falling into a black hole doesn't mean death, but transformation. Here's the truth: black holes aren't just destroyers. They shape galaxies, bend light, and may even hold the key to time travel. Falling into one might be the end of everything you know, or the beginning of something we can't yet understand. So, would you take the plunge? If this just bent your brain, imagine what the next story will do. Hit that subscribe button and keep your eyes on the stars, because the cosmic eye is always watching the universe, so you can watch it with wonder.